Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how you can take a scrollshot at a Huawei P Smart in a version of 2019. Yeah, a scrollshot is a screenshot of the screen, but not only of the screen, so you can have the whole website or the settings here as my example with one screenshot. Okay, let us take a screenshot now. So use the power button and the volume down button. And you make a screenshot, and now you have to scroll down this picture here, that is the little one, and you will take all the picture here of the settings. Okay, so this is where the screenshot, and after you can edit it again or can share it directly and so on and so on. You took the same thing. So let me show you one more time. So power button and the volume down button for the same time. You have the screenshot. Again, scroll this must be, and if you want to stop it before, if you want maybe you have to just have a part of the text, you just tap in that process on the screen, and now I don't have all the features from the settings. So it just took a part. So if you tap on the screen during the screenshot, you will interrupt it and you just save a part of the website or the settings or whatever. Then we have to find the screenshots after, of course, at the gallery, and here at the photos, of course, and also at the albums. So here it has its own category, which one is named screenshots, and you have all your screenshots and also your screenshots. So we'll make the screenshots a bit smaller, that is, it have the total picture on the screen, and but you can zoom in and so on if you want to have it more detailed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.